Sawadee krap. Welcome to another video on how you can immigrate into Australia. I'm Gino and today we're going to talk about the Australian spouse visa. If you're looking to settle in Australia with your Thai spouse, this visa could be the ideal choice for you. First, let's start by understanding what the Australian spouse visa is. This is a type of visa allowing for the foreign spouse of an Australian national, Australian permanent resident, or New Zealand citizen to live in the country with them. The Australian spouse visa offers a streamlined way for your spouse to gain permanent residency in the land down under. It comes in two types. The temporary spouse visa allows your spouse to live in Australia for up to 2 years. After meeting all the necessary requirements and remaining married to you, they can transition to a permanent spouse visa. On a temporary visa, your spouse can live with you in Australia until a decision is made on their application for a permanent visa or residency. During this time, they are also free to work, study, leverage healthcare benefits, and avail medical expenses. The permanent spouse visa, on the other hand, allows your spouse to stay in Australia indefinitely. It is granted either before or upon the expiration of the temporary spouse visa, assuming all criteria for the permanent visa have been met. The permanent spouse visa also opens the path to Australian citizenship. In addition to this, your spouse will be able to work, study, earn healthcare benefits, and receive social security payments. So, what does it take to qualify for the spouse visa? There are two key players here. The sponsor, which would be yourself, and the applicant, which will be your foreign spouse. To sponsor your spouse, you will need to be an Australian national or permanent resident. You also need to marry to your foreign spouse, be over 18 years old, and be ready to sponsor your spouse's dependents if applicable. The applicant must also be legally married to you, undergo a successful health examination, and clear a criminal record check. Once your partner has the temporary spouse visa, they need to apply for a permanent visa before their 2-year visa expires. This will allow them to stay permanently in Australia and qualify for the Australian citizenship. If you are ready to apply, don't hesitate to contact Siam Legal Foreign Visa team to get started. As a leading law firm in Thailand, our team is well versed in everything Australian visa related. Our team will provide you with a checklist on all required items and offer consultation sessions for you. We also assist in gathering documents, completing biometrics, interview preparations, and we will submit the application on your behalf. That wraps up our video for today. Don't forget to check out our other video on Australian visas. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more extraordinary insights. Once again, I'm Gino and I want to assure you that my team and I are committed to ensuring you get to reunite with your spouse within Australia. Sawadee krap.